Hey there! Ready to join us on an adventure?
Stay close. Things are about to get wild.
You're not getting away that easily.
We'll see about that, Kai. The pace quickens as Mika and Riko push forward. Keep up, Riko! We're almost there!
You're slowing down already.
Give it up, Mika!
Not a chance. Got it! Now it's my turn. This isn't over. Better luck next, Tim.
Thanks for sticking with us. Until next time.
Take care, and keep chasing your dreams.